All right, for homework 413, I want you to copy all of this work, my words, and then try a set on your own. Here we go. First word right away is sail. Sail. All right, before I do any of these, again, I want you to start understanding where these problems are coming from. We've done these before. They're in disguise, though. If you have equations with the number in front of x being different, like this one, always one solution. If you have the numbers in front of x be the same, like this one right here, but the x numbers are different, that's your typical no solution. And of course, the last one, if you have everything the same, the x number is the same and the plane number is the same, that's your many solution, infinite solution. You need to know how those look like by looking at equations, looking at numbers. You also need to know how to graph these and know how these look as a graph. So here you go, graphing. This first one here I'll do in red. Start at -3 on the y-axis. This is my y-axis, my up or down line. That number in front of x being 2 is 2 over 1. That means from that starting point, right one box, up 2. Right 1, up 2. Right 1, up 2. Right 1, up 2. Stair step the opposite way from that starting point down to left 1. Draw that line. Get in the habit of drawing it long with lines and arrows and then writing that equation next to it. All right, next one I'll do in blue. For this one, I'm starting at +3 up here. This one has no number in front of that -x. That's -1. Made into a fraction is -1 over 1, which means from that starting point, right 1, down 1. Right 1, down 1. Right 1, down 1. Draw your line. Label that line for me. That's y equals -x plus 3. And then I need you to know that that point, that one solution, this is the one solution. It's written for this one as a coordinate for x and y. That one solution is 2 for x, 1 for y. That is the one solution. Lines that meet in one place and have equations with a different number in front of x, one solution. Know that. All right, next one, here we go. If you have the same number in front of x, but different y-intercepts, here's what happens. First one in red, -3 over 1 up 2 over 1 up 2. Stair step opposite way. Next one in blue for this one, starting at 4, but following that over 1, up 1 pattern, up 2, right 1, up 2, stair step opposite way, down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1. You'll see that since they have the same rise and run, same slope, they will never touch. There'll never be a solution. This is that no solution look. Parallel lines never touch, never have a solution. Only where lines touch is there a solution. All right, last one. Second word is boat. Boat. For this one, if I plot -3 over 1 up 2 and draw that line, my next line in blue will be overlapping that, starting at -3 and doing that same pattern of over 1 up 2. This is the same overlapping on top of each other line. That's your typical many solution or infinite solution look. All right, what I'd like you to do is try this set on your own. Obviously, first one has different x's or numbers in front of x. That's going to be your one solution. Your graph is going to have your lines touch in one place. It's going to be up to you to find that one place where they touch. The next one same X number, but different y-intercepts means same rise and run, but both lines are touching the y-axis at a different spot. No solution, parallel lines. And of course, the last one, everything's the same. You're going to have overlapping lines, many solutions. Careful though on this one, -3/1, remember, is right 1, down 3. Careful with your graphing. Last word is blue. Blue. Good luck on these. I'll see you on Monday.